Alright, Rob Frazier here in the backyard. I don't know if you can see the chickens back there running around and the kiddos over there in the bushes. But anyway, the 4 things that I do on a daily basis as a full-time affiliate marketer. And these are the only 4 things that are absolutely vital to keep business moving forward as an affiliate marketer, in my opinion. Number 1, send out a daily email to my list. Very simple, should be self-explanatory. But the whole point of affiliate marketing is to build a list or a network of people, and then you earn affiliate commissions from referring different things to them. So number 1, and the easiest way I found to do that is to build an email list. So number 1, send out an email. Number 2, messages on social media. There's inbound and outbound messages. That is the next thing that I do. So after I get out my email, I send out my outbound messages. And so what I normally do is I message other network affiliate marketers. 25 messages I send out. And then the rest of the day, throughout the day, I'll make sure my inbox stays cleared. So from the people responding or sending me different things. So number 1, email. Number 2, messages, inbound and outbound. The third thing, post on social media. The whole idea of posting is obviously to expand your reach, to train your team, to promote different products, to talk about your story, whatever the case may be. So 1 post on social media. The only social media I use, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, it's my kiddo, and Twitter. So Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. And those, once I hit those, once I hit my post for the day, then I'm okay with that. And lastly, if I have any income coming in, buy traffic. And buying traffic is usually like a weekly thing. But other than that, that's the only things I do. I'm also joined by my cat down here. So I got a cat here, got the kiddo over there, chickens over there, and dog over there in the bushes. Glad he didn't bark at the neighbors. But the reason and also if you're following my YouTube channel, I'm going to start talking more about how I build an affiliate marketing business on the go, because I got a 3-year-old, I got a lot of personal responsibilities going on, and I just don't have a lot of time to always be on social media. So all my content's going to be more so how I build my affiliate marketing business while being extremely busy. I also have my Busy Beings podcast as well that I'm going to start talking about topics like that moving forward. I don't know if you can see that, the kiddo giving the chicken some mint there. So anyway, number 1, send out the email. Number 2, my messages. Not necessarily in that order, but number 1, send out my email. Number 2, my messages, inbound and outbound.
Do they want mint?
I think so, kiddo. Number 3, my social media post. And then number 4 is buying traffic, but that's usually more so on a weekly basis. And that's basically it. Once I do that, outside of that, I do have a content production schedule that I work as well. But that's a little bit different, and I'm going to go into that in the next video. I'll talk about how I am able to create 1 blog post, 1 video, 1 podcast, and how do I promote all of that every single week without losing my mind as well. So I guess I should say the 5 things I do on a daily basis. So number 1, send out my email. Number 2, inbound and outbound messages. Number 3, my social media posts. Number 4, buy traffic. And number 5, I just follow my content production schedule. So that being said, wrapping this video up, and we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully, if you got any value out of this, let me know. If you think the video sucked, let me know. Leave your questions, comments, concerns below, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. If you all also want to work with me, you don't have a mentor, you want to learn how I do my affiliate marketing more on a one-on-one basis, you can opt into my email list underneath this video. Check out my program. Join me in any one of my programs, and I'll be there to help you. So that being said, wrapping this up, we'll see you in the next video.